Dripping.
This is leaking.
Missing the grommet. Look at how easy this is. Do you want to see somebody who has absolutely no mechanic skills? Uninstall, fix, and reinstall this windshield washing reservoir that's totally leaking. Watch this. Clamp, screwdriver, air up, grommet. Let's do this. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to take this antifreeze coolant / windshield wiper fluid reservoir out. First things first, let's clamp off the hose. Just pulls out.
This is the antifreeze coolant hose.
Might spray a little. And clamp it off. Just like that. Secondly, undo these two screws. That was easy. Thirdly, undo this clip. There you go. Just pops right off. Lastly, we take it out of here. Just a little shimmying. No big deal, a little shimmying. And there we go, she's out. Now, for the real reason why we're here.
For the windshield washer motor pump.
This is leaking, and it's missing the grommet. So let's get to work. Last time, you seen how we took this out of here. Well, we're going to show you again because it's leaking, and we need a grommet to stop it from leaking. Or at least I hope that's what we need. Otherwise, you might see me in another video. So, first time trying it, let's go, let's try this. Grommet. Let's get this out of here first. So, there are these two little clips on the side. You just sort of push them in and wiggle this out. She comes right out. Lost the screwdriver. Alright, now that she's out, we have to figure out how to put this on. So I'm just guessing here, but we're going to give it a guess together. The main thing is, we have courage. We took courage and decided to take this reservoir out all by ourselves. 1, 2, 3 method for taking it out. Now we're going to try to put this little tiny itty bitty grommet on. Filter. This is the washer pump. Hey, that fit on there nicely. This might work. All right, let's put it back in there. Oh, I'm excited. This actually might work. I might stop myself from the windshield wiper fluid leaking. All right, put it back in. Oh my gosh, dude! And then snap it down. Oh, did you hear that click? That was great. I think we did it. Oh. All right, well, let's put it back in. 1, 2, 3, easy breezy. Let's do it. Great. Shimmy her back in. Wait a minute. Before I shimmy her back in, I forgot. I have to fix the horn. Hang on a second. You want to know why I have to fix the horn? Because when I lost all this windshield wiper fluid, it ran all the way down, my horn was sticking up, and it killed the horn. So now that I put it upside down and dumped it out and drained it out, the horn's coming back, but I gotta bolt it down now. So hang on a second. Okay, now I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see my horn. It's way down there. But I'm gonna try this. And it may get in the way of the reservoir. I don't know, it's experimental. I bring some different types of screws and stuff to be able to help myself out. I'm gonna try this. I found a spot where I think I can lift this up. And as you can see, I took the windshield wiper pump motor off completely, the reservoir, so I can get in here. And I see this hole here. And the horn goes in the front, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna give this a whirl. Hope to God I don't drop these screws here. Let me put this down first. No, it's gonna fall all the way down in there. Don't fall! Alright, let me get this in here. I'm gonna try my best, guys. Oh, can I even get this in here? A little help from the Lord. Since He gave me a mind of ingenuity like this. Come on, baby, come on up. Okay, I got the bolt in there. I don't know if you can see it, but I got the bolt in there. Now, let's get this in the right position, hopefully. It's turning around on me. Don't turn around on me. Alright, turn in the right direction is what I want. Let's get this. Alright, I think I got it. Hey guys, this might work. Oh my gosh. This might actually work. Thank you, Lord. Alright, I got this butterfly nut screw. I don't care. I wanted it to be easy. It is brass. I think it's brass, so we should be alright. It's on. There's a hole in the battery terminal, so hoping we'll be alright with this, and it won't be in the way of the reservoir, but holy smokes, the windshield wiper washer, when it drained out, killed it, so, and I don't know why this was ever disconnected, but it sure is. So, could use some more leverage on that, but that's about the best we're gonna get right now. That's fine. It'll probably shake loose a little bit. I don't have any pliers out here either. I knew I was gonna need some. That's alright. I'll live with that. Okay, we'll live with that. Back to the reservoir. Okay, now let's hope that this fits back in here with the horn hooked up to the battery terminal and it's not in the way. End results. Should I try the horn first? Hey, wait. Maybe I should try the horn first. Hang on. She works. Oh. Okay, so let's get back to reinstalling the reservoir, shall we? Let's hope she fits in that socket. With that horn, hopefully it's not in the way. Here's your little motor pump. And got the grommet still in there. I left it in there instead of keeping it on there because I didn't want to lose it. Huh. These clips go underneath here. Underneath, not on top. Oh, horn, don't be in the way. These horn don't be in. Oh, she's in the way a little bit. Hang on. Come on. We did it. I got the horn in there. I love it. Fix the horn. Let's see if we fixed the reservoir now, the windshield wiper. If the grommet fixed the leaking or not. And we're gonna do it with some vinegar. Hold on. Alright, first comes first. Let's get the pump washer back in there. I probably should have done that before I put it back in the cove, but oh well. Let's see if we can do it from here. And you already see me put that in, so don't be jealous. You know, I think the best bet was putting it in there before I put it back in, but I'm afraid that horn's gonna be in the way. Okay, I think I got it. Wait a minute. Ah, it clicked. Okay, we're good. And you've seen that before, so you're good. All right, now put this back in. That's in there. Now, don't forget this is clamped. That'll be the last thing we do because it was the first thing we did originally. Now we put these screws in. Line them up. Come on, baby, line up. There we go. She's lining up. Just like my dad taught me. All right. I only knew him till I was about 12 years old, but you know what? I gained a wealth of knowledge. Mostly tenacity and courage. I lost it along the way a little bit when you start relying on men. Oh man, do you lose your courage when you start relying on men. But my husband's been dead for a while, so since I've been alone for a very long time, I've had to take courage again. This nut's slipping a little bit. But she'll be alright. Alright, lastly, remember this clamp? Alright. Take the clamp off. There she is. And then reattach her right here. I'll show you. Okay, and lastly, now that the clamp is off of the hose, we reattach it. You see there's these little grooves in here? That's what's holding this on. So you really don't need another clamp. It just pushes right on there. Boop, there she is. See, that's tight. She's good. Now we got to fill her up. All right. Woo. Okay, now let's see if she leaks or not. We're using vinegar because, you know, it's windshield wiper fluid. I mean, I wash my windows with vinegar, so I don't think this is going to hurt the reservoir at all. But let's see if she leaks. Hey, she's not leaking. Okay, well that's all I'm going to put in. I'm going to go to Delta Sonic and let them fill up my reservoirs, both of them, and see what happens. Hi. I just fixed my reservoir. There was a plug a grommet that my mechanic lost, so I replaced it. Stop it. And can you fill my windshield wiper fluid and my coolant?
Yeah, we can do that.
And make sure there's no leaks.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, thank you. I'm so sorry about my dog. I meant to ask you how low I was on the coolant and the windshield wiper fluid.
Windshield wiper, he did fill up quite a bit of it, but
okay.
The coolant wasn't too low. It was still alright. I did add a bit, but it wasn't that bad.
Okay, thank you so much.
No
appreciate
problem.
it.
You have a good one.
You too. Let's put our windshield wipers to the test. Oh, there we go. We did it. Thanks for watching. She works in all her glory.